Now we use these questions. Use Newton's forward difference formula to find f of x. Given f0 equal to 1, f1 equal to 6, f2 equal to 19, f3 equal to 46. If any questions are given, then you must be know which formula we use. Use Newton forward difference. If you know Newton's forward difference formula, then you can solve easily these questions. Now you can see here, use Newton forward difference formula to find f of x. The data is given. We make first table. You know, first we form the forward difference table. Let x not equal to 0 because the initial value equal to 0. Now you can see here, if 0 equal to 1, it means this is the value of x and this is the value of f of x. Now first point is given 0, you write 0 because this is the value of x. And this f of x, yani f of 0, f0 equal to 1, you write 1. Same conditions. You can see here 1 is given, then you write the value of x is 1 and f of 1 equal to 6. F of 1 equal to 6, then you write 6 here. Now next point is given 2. You write 2. F of 2 equal to 19, then you write 19. F of 3, this is the value of x equal to 3, then you write 3. F of 3 equal to 46, then you write 46. 3 equal to 46. You again check all data that you write this data is correct or not. F0 equal to 1, this is correct. F1 equal to 6, F1 equal to 6, this is correct. F2 equal to 19, F2 equal to 19, F3 equal to 46, F3 equal to 46. Now you can see here, if we find forward difference, this is a symbol of forward difference f. Here is given 6. 6 minus 1 we get 5. Same process. 19 minus 6 we get 13. 46 minus 19 we get 27. This is first point. Now second point, forward square f, then forward power 3f. Again if we write here forward power 4f, and again we write again forward, it means series are continuous. Power 1, power 2, power 3, power 4, power 5, power 6, power 7. Depend on the data. Now you can see here 13 minus 5 we get 8. 27 minus 13 we get 14. Same process. 14 minus 8 we get 6. We have make table for forward difference. Now you can see here I have defined here easily if you don't understand. Forward f not equal to, it means f1 minus f0. The value of f1 is 6 minus f0 is 1. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Same forces you can see here, we find f2 minus f1. The value of f2 is 19. The value of f1 is 6. 19 minus 6, 13. Same process. Dava f1 minus dava f not equal to 13 minus 5 equal to 8. And we solve same process which here is given top, and we solve in a bottom side. Now Newton's forward formula is, you must be remember this formula, f of x equal to f naught plus u divided by 1 factorial forward f naught plus u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial forward square f naught plus u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial forward power 3 f naught, and so on. This series will be continuous according to this formula. If here is given 3, then again 4, 5, 6. If here is given 2 factorial, then you write 3 factorial, then 4 factorial, 5 factorial, and 6 factorial. Where what is u? This is the formula of u. U equal to x minus x naught divided by h. X we write same, minus x naught. You know the first value is x naught is 0 and the value of h is 1. Then we get only x. It means u equal to x. Substituting the values from the top row of the difference table, we have made this formula. Now we put in these values, f naught equal to 1, u, the value of u equal to x, you write 1 factorial, you write same. Our f naught, we have find 5 plus the value of u is x, the value of u is x same, minus sign, you write minus sign same, divide by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 multiplied by 1. Our square f naught, the value of this is 8, plus sign, you write same, u is given, then you value of u is x, this bracket u minus 1, it means x minus 1. U minus 2 means x minus 2, divide by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, 6. Our power 3 f naught equal to 6. Now we have put in all these formulas values, then we simplify. Now you can see here, we solve, simplify this polynomial. First, polynomial condition are given. You can see here, here is divide by 2 and both sides r is given 8. If we get 2 common, then 2 divided by 2 will be cancelled, we get 4. You can see here 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, then 4x square minus you write same, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 minus 4x minus 4x plus sign you write same. In these conditions you can see here 6 cancel this 6, then we get x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now you can see we have get this answer. We simplify, we arrange all values of x, then x square and x power 3. First constant number we write here, then you write 5x. Now we check all x values. X is minus 4x, you write minus 4x, and x is plus 2x, you write plus 2x, plus sign 4x square, you write 4x square, minus 3x square, you write 3x square, plus x 3. Now 1 you write, we simplify all values. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 minus 4, we get 3x. Now you can see here 4x square minus 3x square. It means 4 minus 3, we get x square plus x3, you write this. This is your final answer which you have get. Now if you want to check your this answer is correct or wrong, then you can verify. You get this answer. First you write here, I want to show you how can you verify that your this answer is correct or wrong. First you write this answer, verification, f0 equal to 1. It means here is given, we put in these values 0, then 0, 0, 0. It means f0 equal to you get 1. Now second point, f1. We put the values of 1. 1 you write same plus 3 multiplied by 1. It means 3. The value of 1 you write same 1. This value is 1, you write same. After this simplification we get 6. Now we put 2. In these conditions we put in the values of 2. If here is given 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, you can see here. If we put the value of 2, 2 2s are 4, and if we put 2, 2 3s are 6, and plus 1. We add all numbers, we get 1 9. Same conditions, the value of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. We write here plus 3 multiplied by 3, 9, plus 3 multiplied by 2, sorry 3. 3 3s are 9, you write here plus 1. After this addition we get 46. You now this condition is given in your questions. F01 we get 1, F16 we get simplification 6. In the questions given F2 equal to 19, and after this simplification we get 19, F3 equal to 46, and we add, we get 46. It means your answer is 100% correct. If your answer will be changed, then you again check all calculation. It means you may be mistake. If your answer is correct, it means your answer is correct and your calculations of solution is also correct. Thank you. My name is Muhammad Hanif. This is my WhatsApp number. You subscribe, like and share your friends